Chloe Bailey has just been slammed for dating Burna Boy for this reason I'm about to share with you. And honestly, it's really wild. So grab your popcorn and take a seat as I fill you in on the messy deets. So as y'all already know, Burna Boy and Chloe Bailey's relationship is no longer a secret. And even though they've not come out to publicly announce that they're dating, the internet has already seen more than enough to know that those two are seemingly in love. And from videos of them hanging out together in Lagos, dining together, wearing matching wristwatches, and sharing flirty kisses to Chloe telling Burna Boy that she loves him, fans are more than convinced that these two are more than friends. It's only a matter of time before they officially announce their relationship, if it's as serious as it looks.
You gave me a table in front of my enemies. Table.
But while fans of the pair are happy about the couple, gushing about how cute Chloe and Burna Boy are and how happy they are for the pair, a few internet folks are side-eyeing the couple's relationship, with some even going as far as bringing up all sorts of reasons why Chloe shouldn't even think of making things serious with Burna Boy. And while people aren't sure if the two are just hanging out together, because they might be making music together or actually dating, this didn't stop some people from digging up things about Burna Boy. First of all, someone pointed out the fact that Burna Boy had claimed Black Americans didn't have culture and were surprised to see that he was dating someone he had claimed had no culture, even adding the fact that he also sampled Black American music, painting him as a hypocrite. And even worse, Burna Boy is known for having side chicks and has a reputation for being a bad boy. Internet folks are worried for Chloe since she's just growing in her music career and feel she should be focused on that, not a man known for breaking women's hearts. What's even more concerning is the fact that Burna Boy hasn't said anything about his and Chloe's relationship, while the video of Chloe saying she loves him is making rounds all over social media. And y'all, while some are scared for Chloe's heart, others say that Chloe isn't as naive as they think she is, pointing out the fact that she speaks smartly when asked about her views on relationships. And while I understand the concerns of those worried for Chloe because of Burna Boy's bad boy reputation, I don't think it's enough reason for her to get slammed by the public for dating someone. I mean, it's her choice, and like she said in her interview at the Breakfast Club, she's a grown woman and he's a grown man. They are both old enough to make their own decisions.
It was really good. I really had a great time.
What about the nightlife? We saw you in the club with Burna.
Yes, the nightlife. It was so many lights, so many colors.
So many cameras.
I know, so many cameras.
We be all in, like everything with you when you're. Because
What are you
last time
trying to ask,
here,
Lauren?
I'm getting
Right,
that. Last
beating around
time you
the
were
bush.
here was gonna. I mean, now is Burna Boy. We want to know: is that your boo? Is this the thing? Y'all together? Do y'all go together real bad? Y'all just having fun? What is it?
Well, I'm a grown woman. I had a great time in Nigeria. I really did.
Let's just hope Chloe's heart doesn't get broken, because in the videos of her and Burna Boy making rounds on the internet, she looks pretty much in love with him, not to mention the fact that she actually did say she loves him. But anyway, what do you guys think about all this? Do y'all think Chloe Bailey should be careful about letting Burna Boy too deeply into her heart, especially since he's known to be a playboy? Or do y'all think Chloe knows exactly what she's doing? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and keep watching this space for more content and juicy hot gossip on your favorite celebrities.
Y'all, Latto embarrassed Cenat on stream. And it was straight up hilarious. If you ever needed proof that celebrities don't sugarcoat things, Latto just gave it to us raw and unfiltered, and at Kai's expense. It all started when Latto, Cenat, and I Show Speed were all at a celebrity flag football game, vibing, sweating, and apparently stinking? Yep, because when the topic of who smelled the worst came up, Latto wasted zero time keeping it real. She started off real diplomatic, saying somebody ran past her and was musty. as if she wasn't about to expose someone for real. At first, she checked Speed's jersey. She gave it a good sniff, made a whole scene about it touching her lip. But at the end of the day, Speed was in the clear. But then came Kai's turn. At first, Latto gave his jersey a light sniff, probably feeling generous. She didn't detect anything crazy at first, but then she realized her mistake. She hadn't hit the armpit zone yet. And y'all, when she did, game over. Her whole face changed. And that's when we knew Kai wasn't making it out of this one clean, literally. Kai kinda looked devastated, but the chat was going crazy. Speed was cracking up, and Latto, unbothered.
Smell this! No. Smell this! This is my jersey.
I'm not gonna lie. This the chat right here?
Yeah. Yes.
Chat. All them, can I cuss?
Yeah.
All them was musty on that thing.
What? Smell my jersey. Smell my jersey. Smell my jersey. Smell my jersey, be honest. Smell it and be honest.
I'm gonna be honest.
Be honest, be honest.
Y'all was wearing them
Who would touch my lips?
Not cool side by you.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Right.
All right.
What? Exactly. Now smell Kai. Smell Kai. Smell it. You smell
That's not the armpit. Where the armpit?
Yo, he cheated.
Try it.
Put it right there in the... Hell no! Hell! I told you, Kai, you stink.
Interestingly, this ain't even the first time Kai's hygiene been the topic of discussion. We all remember when Drusky called his bedroom a biohazard, claiming it smelled like spoiled milk. Then, Shannon Sharp doubled down on his podcast, grilling Kai about all the rumors. Shannon even brought up how SZA and Lizzo had some thoughts, which sent Kai into full damage control mode. Shannon told Kai straight up that people been saying his room got a stench problem, and bed bugs might be in the mix too. But Kai wasn't having it. He swore up and down that his room smelled amazing. His carpet was immaculate, and everything was put together.
Had a few people on your stream that said, when you do these things, you look,
Huh?
yeah, you smell it.
Smell what?
Body, odor.
Body?
Yeah,
I smell?
That's what Drewski said. So
Oh my God, Drewski's a dumb.
Drewski said your bedroom smell like spoiled milk.
Okay, we should have did an interview in my room.
Nah, we should have did it if it smelled like clabber milk. No.
It is the best smelling room that you would ever be on. That carpet is the cleanest, and everything is just so well.
So how you say he got bed bugs?
He's a hater.
What about Lizzo and Sis saying that your showering techniques,
Cause they didn't think I washed my because the camera was there. They're hating too.
They then had a good laugh about it and even got into that wild convo about washing routines. Shannon said he uses 2 rags, while Kai swore he's got a system that works for him. But after Latto's reaction last night, look, we love Kai, but this is his sign to immediately invest in a care package. Some extra strength deodorant and maybe a Febreze sponsorship at this point. Maybe even keep some on standby at all times. Cause if one more celeb confirms these rumors, it might be time for an intervention. The whole thing has the internet in shambles, you guys. Some are even saying that maybe Latto is just hypersensitive to smells, which doesn't seem to be it now that others have had the same reaction. Either way, people had a good laugh and we're loving the drama. Oh, and moral of the story, if Latto ever gives you a you know what you did look, just go ahead and hit the shower ASAP. Be sure to turn on the notification bell because, trust me, the next story is one for the books.